If you would like to create an effect like this using the book by GSAP and Elementor, stay with me until the end of this video. Okay, we created a container. Set the margin to -100. Create a container, and for the container settings, set the top margin to -100, margin and padding to line. And we set the container width to full width, and set the container height to 100 VH. We make the settings according to the video to achieve the final output we want. This part of the settings is related to the headers section and the main content section of the page. We do a short page optimization to achieve the desired and final result we want. So here we start building the wrapper. We create a container. We name the container the video. We create a new container for our image and a new container for our text. We name the containers the video. We'll set one of the containers as the image wrapper. Double roof container on text wrapper. Click on the main container and set the height to 100. We understand the image inside the container. We select the image we have in mind. We implement the properties and settings related to the X in one of the XS. In this section, I am now implementing the settings related to the X to apply to other images. Alright, we've set the image width to 90% and the height to 30 pixels. Now, let's handle the alignment settings. For the main content from the main container, we click on the Advanced section, then click on our image. We'll apply the image settings, set the position to absolute, and remove the offset value from 0. We simply click on the Advanced section, then just click on our image. We precisely apply the settings related to the image, set the position to absolute, and exactly remove the offset value, setting it to 0. Alright. Here, we're repeatedly duplicating 5 or 6 XS, copying the X several times. Now, let's carefully move on to the text settings. and follow along with the video. I wrote the text for the post as a test. You can put whatever you want in it. You can also change these settings later and edit your post, as well as the settings related to the appearance and graphics of the work. So here I am choosing the font. Alright, we're setting the text position to absolute and adjusting the numbers in the offsets. Now, let's move on to naming the CSS class according to the video. Define this class for your main container and keep in mind that I'm currently on the main container. Now, I've clicked on the image wrapper and I'm entering the CSS related to the image wrapper. Okay, now I'm on the text wrapper and I'm about to activate the settings related to the text wrapper on the CSS that lasts. On the main wrapper, well, now I clicked on the image wrapper and I'm entering the CSS for the image wrapper. So now I'm on the text wrapper, and I'm going to activate the settings in the text wrapper, missing on the CSS. So now we're going to insert the Almal widget into the page. This is what you want the Almal widget to be in the top position. So we're going to paste the Almal code into the widget. So, up to this point, the initial output of the effect is this. Well, then we'll examine the output once more again to see if the settings were carefully applied to the effect. To beautify the page, we also came across a series of related annexes. I've used colorful images that I'm going to place in the background of the website. So here's the deal. I'm going to enlarge the image sizes a bit. I'll change the number from 90 to 110. And I'll set the height to 170. Then, I'll hold down the Control key and apply the paste style to all of them. This way, all the effects from the first image will be applied to all the other images. Effect. It was applied correctly on the X. If necessary, apply adjustments to the images. For example, here I set the radius equal to the circle. The distance between the XS is very close to each other. Here, I'll convert the 3 to 130, which means the distance between the images will become farther apart. If the distance between the images becomes farther apart, so this table includes all the available classes related to each effect and other settings. I've brought it to you inside this image, and you can use this image too. Apply the classes related to the effects. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my new videos. Thank you, and take care.